Just you're not supposed to tell them.
Okay, one group will go upstairs. Look at.
So this is supposed to all how things changing the world. So this
food delivery weekends food order veg pizza order food delivery rice cooker food delivery food delivery call down to within 30 minutes I'll present there God of wisdom. So I did so the second Bhutan village electricity mimo. Electricity and second electricity I like on those like on key that you represent second electricity development and the tires do tires and mud and he represent road representative road and he him lammi walk baby jogus tadi Bhutan whole Bhutan road on the and when it's all like about the development in all the trees and all and he laptop game Mac key anyway so and when he development
Srimanti wants to say something.
Football game, drum, guitar, rice cooker. So I need to represent football game. Represent guitar, the drum, football. Think this is hard football. This is chair bani, and you need to represent chair represent. Then rice cookers, football game ya ni kama ragi to zyada sume enjoy bebe gaun they love football like something that we that's it
So this piece is called, it's written right here. Careful you don't hit yourself on this stuff. It's sharp. Is Bhutan changing its means to happiness? So that means, do people think about the idea of happiness today differently than they did in the past? Do you think the way your grandparents and your parents think about happiness is different than the way you think about it? Or your brothers or sisters? So that's the question. So I would say, so based on the people I spoke with in Bhutan today, they say, oh, everyone's like, I'm going to Australia, I want to go to Australia. I'm like, oh my God, okay. And then I heard about TikTok, they're on their phones making like little videos of themselves and they're watching it and they're like showing me. I'm like, okay, great. So these are the things they're talking about. Facebook, YouTube, pilgrimage packages they're buying, education consultancies. So they're seeing all these things on social media. They're seeing things on TV. And they're saying, oh, this is a new lifestyle. I want to live like these people. I want this fancy life, this luxurious life. This is the best life, you know? But sometimes they don't understand this life. They have their own imagination when they see the pictures. But they were talking to people, so they don't know what this life really is about. And the people there, you don't know if they're happy or not. You haven't talked to them. So you might be happy and fun, but like, there might be a whole other reality behind it. I'll tell you more about that. So this is an antenna with Diego and Kira and Go's woven in. This transmits a signal on the TV. So the TV works because of a lot of things, but the signal goes to the TV and you see images of people. And usually on TV, programs are for actors, right? They're pretending to live a certain way. So this mannequin is like an idealized type, like Bhutanese woman. To make your life easier, more comfortable. But won't make you happy. Maybe make you happy for a couple hours, like, oh, I bought this new phone. But then you need to buy the next new phone. And you're never happy until you have the next one. And basically these companies are just, they want you to think this way because they want to make money from you. So they're taking advantage of you. It's not good. But, so the question is, does money buy you can money bring you happiness? The same way like your friends can make other countries more developed, and you can create more problems, more poverty. Capitalism is like a way, like an idea of how economics, how people like sell things. See, it's messed up. But
Is it yours? No. Okay. Kinzam, do you want to draw something? Do you want to write something? You can write.
You can draw here on this one. It's just like, I don't want to. You don't have to.
Karma, do you want to draw something? We can do that. You don't know? Okay, fine, then you can go.
The idea that businesses compete with one another like a sports company is in a sense, dehumanizing them. You're not thinking about people. The gloves, the machine here that businesses use, the street light is part of the machine, the office chair is broken. So,
If you want to write something, you can write here. Come here and write. If you want to draw, you can draw there. How did you feel? Do you want to see something? What do you want to see?
I was very excited coming here. I have a great time here.
Thank you.